Hey, you wanna make your videos more funnier? Have you ever heard about green screen? In this video, I will show you how to use green screen, and just to tell you, it makes your videos more funnier and also keeps the attention of your viewers. And here is how. Let me show you how. So first, let me show you how to download a video with the green screen. Let's say, oh my god, green screen. So now click on it, and there, if you want this video for you in your video, I mean, to edit it. So now click on share and copy the link, and then search in Google YouTube converter. So here you have some YouTube converters that you can use to convert the video. I'm using the first link, and now here paste the link, and don't forget to click on MP4 because MP3 is only for audio. I mean, we will convert only the sound of the video, but MP4, as you know, is for videos and as well for audio, I mean, with the sound. So convert it, and I don't want to download it because I already downloaded. I'll be back here, and you put this meme. So drag the downloaded meme in your video here and as you can see, this video have green screen, right? But how to remove this green screen and to use only the meme? So here is how. Click on effects here, this panel here, and write Ultra K, and use this function here and just drag it, hold with the left bottom of your mouse and drag it on your video, not this video, to meme, I mean, yeah. Now as you can see, here's no difference. But how to remove it? If you see this color picker here, just click on it, I mean take it, and then click on the green screen here, and now the green screen disappeared. And now you can move the meme in every position you want, and that's it. But let me before play the video just to make it not so loud, and as you can see, it's working. Yeah, and that's it. If I helped you out, make sure to give a like, and if you have some problems or some questions about green screen or something, just comment down below the video in the comments, and I will try to respond on your questions. Yeah, and see you in the next video. Bye.